Hey guys, my name's Graham and welcome to the Knead feed. Today we're gonna make a crispy ginger. No, not that kind of ginger. This kind of ginger. I don't know about you guys, but I will eat anything fried. Chicken, French fries. Have you ever been to the state fair and they fry Oreos? Man, those things are good. You guys like fish sticks? I love a good fish stick. So you guys have probably had crystallized or candied ginger. I know you've probably had pickled ginger as well at your favorite Japanese restaurant. But this is a whole new take on that. We're gonna cook it in some simple syrup, which will give it some sweetness, and then deep fry it. Garnishes are a great way to mix up your food. Throw them on some soup, salad, or even a piece of fish. All right guys, let's jump into the kitchen and I'll walk you through the steps. It adds a really fun texture. It's sweet, spicy, and salty. So go ahead and peel the ginger and then thinly slice it with a knife or cut it with a mandolin, like I'm doing here. Once you've cut all the ginger, build little stacks and thinly slice them with a knife. It should be about the size of a matchstick, but a little bit thinner. Before we make it crispy and delicious, we're going to cook it in a simple syrup. Simple syrup is essentially just sugar and water. Here I'm using equal parts water to equal parts sugar. Over medium heat, dissolve all the sugar into the water and bring it up to a simmer. Add the ginger to the simple syrup and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's translucent. Once it's cooked down and the ginger is translucent, pour it through a fine mesh strainer, then lay it out on a paper towel to dry. Be sure to save the ginger syrup. It's really delicious and it's great for baking or even over fresh berries. And now, to get the ginger perfectly crispy, add some vegetable oil to a pan over medium heat. Once the oil starts to shimmer, test out the heat by adding 1 slice of ginger. If it starts to sizzle, it's ready. We're going to fry the ginger for about 3 to 4 minutes. Be sure to stir the ginger so it doesn't burn. Crispy ginger burns really easily, so be sure to pour it through the strainer before you think it's done, because it continues to cook. Now we're going to dump it into a mixing bowl and season it with a little bit of salt. Then spread the ginger out onto a dry paper towel to soak up some of the oil. There's so many great ways to use this garnish. Here I've added it to a lemongrass and chicken soup and an Indian rice biryani. Thanks so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. We'd love to get your feedback in the comments below. That way it's not just my mom commenting on all my videos.